Hot mop shower pans have been around for over half a century, and this method still proves to provide the most value dollar to dollar. Professional home builders, general contractors, and licensed tile setters prefer to hire a specialized company to assume responsibility for the shower pan. However, since we are just one step along the shower building process, our work is dependent on previous work by other trades. Specifically, the framing and plumbing needs to be ready before we show up to hot mop. This entails properly blocking the shower pan and properly installing a tile-in shower drain. To make sure the hot mop process is top quality, any surface to be hot mopped needs to be solid with no gaps more than 4 inches. We will hot mop 10 inches up the walls. This requires that there be a minimum of 10 inches of solid blocking around the base of the shower walls. This is often done by securing 2x10 wood blocks in between and flush with the studs all the way around the shower base of the walls. You can use different types and sizes of wood or even sheet metal to accomplish this. As long as there is 10 inches of solid backing, it can be properly hot mopped. You can even secure this backing on top of the studs, although most tile setters prefer it be flush with the studs. It is best to notch the blocking around pipes, but you can also secure a piece of sheet metal over the section with the pipes. For Roman tubs, the blocking around the shower pan must extend higher than the water threshold of the dam. For example, if the dam is 18 inches, you will want about 22 inches of backing around the walls. If you are framing a bench into the shower pan, it is usually a requirement that it be hot mopped as well. Benches need to be solid on all faces to be hot mopped. The bench must have a minimum of 4 inches of blocking around it on the walls. This includes the wall areas behind the bench, to the side of the bench, and down the front of the bench. The same backing requirements apply to tub ledges. If a pony wall is going to be hot mopped, the entire inside part of the pony wall needs to be solid. Other parts of the framing requirements are a solid subfloor and water threshold, also known as the dam. The water threshold needs to be higher than the very top part of the drain. You should consult with local code for exact requirements, but we most commonly see 3 2x4s stacked on top of each other for a height of about 4.5 inches. If you are building a damless profile shower, this water threshold requirement must be met by recessing the shower subfloor below the outside subfloor, usually by about 4 inches. A shower pan must always have a water threshold higher than the very top of the drain. If the shower subfloor is on slab foundation, the cavity around the drain needs to be backfilled before scheduling the hot mop. We commonly find this cavity packed tight with sand, dirt, gravel, and/or cemented over. Before scheduling your hot mop, most of the plumbing should already be completed. This will minimize the amount of traffic on the shower pan after hot mopping. At a minimum, the tile-in shower drain must be installed before hot mopping. The drain must be of the bolt-together kind. There will be 3 or 4 bolts at the base of the drain that secure the halves together. It does not matter if the drain is ABS plastic or cast iron metal. The subflange of the drain must be set so that its outer edges rest on the subfloor. The subflange cannot be lower than the subfloor or floating above the subfloor. On a special note, we have learned that a particular type of drain is prone to leaks. This is a gray slip-on cast iron drain that is available at most big box home improvement stores. This drain has a pore tightening mechanism for the rubber seal that tightens around the pipe. We have seen several showers leak because of this drain. If you are buying a shower drain at your local Home Depot or Lowe's, it is best to buy the ABS 3-piece adjustable strainer drain seen here. If you would like us to supply and install the drain, there does need to be a clean 2-inch ABS pipe sticking out of a 6-inch hole in the subfloor. We hope this video has helped you visualize the necessary preparation steps before hot mopping. If you have any questions, please call us at 888-696-1972. Thank you.